creeping, oil drained, new filter on, ready for new oil to go in. For years we used a front end rack at a shop we had access to do oil changes. And then we bought a set of name brand Rhino ramps. And I would never guess how well they work. Got body work going on. We'll put Suburbans up on it. We'll put our 3/4 ton truck up on them. And they work great. We have, this ground's nice and flat and firm here, but we have a piece of plywood that goes underneath that bolts in place. If you're using it on a little bit looser sand, if you need to, if your shop is tied up like ours is right now, with other projects. But no, doing well. So we've got our high pole oil ready to go in.